Well, guys, I made it. Today was the last day we officially had to wear masks in our classroom. So today's Friday, March 11th, and starting Monday, March 14th, it's optional for everybody. So, whoo, it's just going to be a whole lot easier to breathe. I'll be able to now, hopefully, be able to talk to my students without. We can listen how much I'm gonna have to say. What did you say? What did you say? Because it sounds so muffled when they talk through those things. And yeah, it's just a day that I'm really glad that we got to. So Monday, I don't have to worry about bringing one. I don't have to worry about wearing one. I don't have to worry about getting on the kids, their case for not wearing it. So it's an all in all good day that we got to. So